Welcome back to another episode of Digest.fm's Daily AI News, where we sift through the latest happenings in artificial intelligence and tech so you don't have to. I'm your host, James, and today we've got some fascinating updates lined up from the AI world, including some serious moves in the corporate arena, impactful tools for content creators, and solutions that promise to improve accessibility. Let's kick things off with ElevenLabs. They've just rolled out a new app that turns any written text into audio, and it's making waves in the tech community. The application is called ElevenLabs Reader, and it takes the concept of podcasting everything to new heights. Imagine being able to listen to articles, PDFs, or even eBooks read aloud to you in sounds that are not just mechanical mumblings, but natural-sounding speech. With support for 32 languages and various voices, some even mimicking iconic celebrities, users can get their daily dose of reading without actually reading. Judy Garland narrating your biology notes could add some flair to studying. This potentially opens the door for a more inclusive approach to literacy, especially for those with dyslexia, allowing many more to engage with content that previously may have seemed daunting. Turning complex text into accessible audio can enhance comprehension and enjoyment, making it a game changer for how we consume information. The API availability also means developers can seamlessly integrate text-to-speech into existing applications. Now, shifting gears to corporate maneuvers, we have a significant acquisition in the tech landscape. AMD has announced its acquisition of ZT Systems for a staggering $4.9 billion. This bold move is part of AMD's strategy to better compete with heavyweight NVIDIA, particularly in the AI and cloud infrastructure arenas. ZT Systems specializes in custom AI solutions, making this an interesting play for AMD as they look to bolster their offerings. The environment around AI technology is heating up, and AMD seems geared up to stake a solid claim in this competitive field. With 56% of Fortune 500 companies now listing AI as a risk in their annual reports, it's evident that companies are seriously reconsidering how they engage with AI technologies, both in terms of opportunity and necessary caution. Speaking of improving AI use, AWS has introduced a new tool called RAG Checker. This nifty addition is designed to elevate the reliability of AI-generated responses, particularly in critical sectors like medicine, finance, and law. RAG Checker aims to enhance the accuracy of AI outputs, a step forward as we increasingly rely on these systems to provide information and services that have real-world implications. As we look ahead, this tool could significantly affect how businesses approach using AI in compliance-heavy industries, offering more trustworthy and validated results. In the creative space, Salesforce has stepped up with its release of open-source AI models known as XGen-MM. These advancements focus on visual language AI, enhancing how language and visuals interact in various applications. Open-source initiatives like this are gaining traction as they invite developers to experiment and innovate, driving further advancements in the field. For entrepreneurs in the creative sectors, these models could provide essential tools for creating more engaging content and experiences for their audiences. Last but not least, let's discuss the promising entries in the startup bracket. We've seen tools like AI Eraser gaining attention, particularly for its clever application of AI technology to help users redact personal details from their communications. It emphasizes privacy while interacting with AI applications, something consumers are increasingly cautious about. This tool, alongside innovative platforms like MyND, which supports mental health through AI chat companions, shows how AI is becoming more integrated into everyday life while ensuring user safety and privacy remain a priority. As we wrap up today's digest, we saw ElevenLabs taking a monumental step in making text more accessible, AMD positioning itself against NVIDIA with a hefty acquisition, AWS enhancing AI reliability, Salesforce fostering open-source creativity, and innovative privacy-focused startups emerging. These developments showcase how AI continues to reshape how we interact with technology, whether for personal use, business endeavors, or creative expression. Keep your ears tuned for tomorrow's episode as we'll continue to dive into the trends and technologies pushing the AI frontier. Thanks for joining me today. Appreciate you stopping by.